How does AI impact Google ad business right now? So we'll talk about more on that today in today's video. Hi everyone, I'm Dev Panumaka. I run Gleaminary. It's a Google Ads agency. So today I'm going to quickly tell you how AI has really influenced Google Ads and PPC search campaigns. So in the past, exact match really meant exact match, right? If you put a keyword in as exact match, it would basically match to people who search for that very keyword. So let's say you put in a keyword that says flow refinishing, someone would have to search flow refinishing for it to show up. But then AI started coming in, and the meanings behind those keywords started to become all the more important. So let's say you put in a keyword that says flow refinishing, and someone looks for I need my floors refinished. That's their search term. So you put in a keyword, exact match keyword, which says floor refinishing, and someone searches for I need my floors refinished. Your ad would definitely pop up. That was in the past. But now, as Google's large language models really got better, now the same technology has obviously come into broad match. So right now, think about it. If you really want the large language model, Google's AI, to really figure out, you'd want to use broad match keywords and like longer sentences to describe exactly what your ad is. So let us say you are looking for flow refinishers, like you're advertising for flow refinishers or wood flow repair, things like that. You would say wood flow repair company near me, something like that. Broad phrase search term, a broad keyword, which is more than 4 words long. And that's what the Google's AI is going to look for and match with the searches online. So to dive further into this thing, right? So how does Google's AI really work to figure out what the matching between what people are searching for and what advertisers are advertising? So there are three components to this Google's AI-powered search ads. There's the broad match keywords. There's the smart bidding campaign, where Google adjusts your bids based on all the data it has to get the maximum out of it in terms of conversions. And then there's the responsive search ads, which are basically ads developed based on AI figuring out combinations using your ads, your headlines, your extensions, your images, all of that combined into. So these are the three components which Google's AI is looking at to deliver some of the best PPC experience to both the advertiser and the person who's actually looking for service, the client. So at Gleaminary, we can help you set up your PPC ad campaign, your Google ads, optimized so that we can get the best out of the ad campaign. So the link is in the description. You can reach out to me for more if you have any questions, and or if you want to discuss your Google ad campaign. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you. Take care. Bye.